If you use a sum formula like this, you will end up with an error. To avoid, add if error formula. Don't type manually like this. Instead, use the replace function. Drag down to copy the formula. Tried so many ways to convert numbers into a date? Adding one by one will take lots of time. Instead, use this. Drag down to copy the formula. How to calculate logout time. Use this. Drag down to copy the formula. How to fill cells automatically, like this. Use this trick. Select and lock the cell by pressing F4. Drag down to copy the formula. Now you can copy and paste all at once. Don't enter manually like this. Instead, use this. Drag down to copy the formula.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.